as you can see, I'm giving frontal right now, right? I'm giving frontal. I got two little pigtails. I'm giving you frontal. But sis, this is a closure. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Evie, and as you can tell by the title, sis, I'm about to show you how you make any closure, and I mean any closure, look like a frontal. I'm about to show you right now how to save $50 to $60. So if you got a frontal in your cart right now, pause on that, watch this video first, and let me know in the comments if you want to change your mind, because if it's natural brown hair, it's no reason for you to get a frontal, sis. After this, it's no reason for you to buy no frontal, because I'm about to show you how to slay and save money at the same time. And not only will I be showing you that, I just want to be cute since it's my first video ever. I'm adding an additional tips on how I do my ball cap method, and I also am giving you a cute little look. If y'all do want a full tutorial on how I do this look, let me know in the comments. If you're feeling this look, let me know in the comments too. Just a little background on what my channel will consist of. I've been doing wigs for about 8 to 10 years. I like to say 10, you know, because it sounds cuter. But anyways, yeah, just about 10 years since I was a senior in high school. So, you know, I've learned so many tips, so many little tricks, and just different hairstyles and different ways to slay a wig. So, of course, I'm going to incorporate that in my channel for y'all, without a doubt. And I also started doing nails back in September, and I will be going to nail school once outside opens back up. So I'll have little vlogs of that and just little tutorials for y'all on how to shape nails, lay acrylic, all that jazz. And I have a cute little addition to my channel too. I'm a gamer, sis. I games, okay? I've been doing it, playing it all. But since, you know, the only computer game I really play is Sims, I definitely will be incorporating that in my channel. So if you're a gamer girl and you're watching this, like and let me know in the comments and subscribe, sis, because it's going to be stuff for you too. It's going to be a playlist. It's going to be the whole 9 yard, y'all. Like, my channel finna be lit. My channel finna be... Sorry, y'all. I got excited. But anyways, yeah, like, I just have so much in store. And my main goal in my channel is just to give and share the tips that I use to become self-efficient and, you know, just independent, and just being able to learn and grow and save money. That's one of my main things, saving money, because, you know, don't switch up on me. I got big plans. I don't know why my eyes start tearing. That's how real it is. God's like, yeah, sis, you got big plans. I know, God, thank you. But anyway... But anyways, like I said, my channel has so much that's going to be happening. So be sure to subscribe. And let me know at the end of this video if I made you laugh, if I made you smile, if I provided any tips to y'all that you felt was helpful. And be sure to share with your friends. Don't be selfish. Like, help them save some money too. I have a series coming up called Quarantine and Slay. I'm so excited about that. Where I will just basically help y'all with, of course, like, doing your own eyebrows, little stuff that you can't do during quarantine since outside is closed. I'm definitely gonna help y'all and show y'all how to do it at home. So once outside is open, you're saving bucks, sis. You won't ever have to enter that nail salon again. You won't ever have to enter that nail salon again. You won't ever have to. I just got so much slayed tips for y'all, like. So be sure to subscribe, like I said, and I hope to hear from y'all soon. Write me. I love to talk to my subscribers. And if you already subscribed to me, because I know I got pre-subscribers, I appreciate you for waiting on me, y'all. I appreciate you, because y'all didn't have to. Y'all didn't have to wait, but y'all did. So thank you. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Later. All right, guys, so let's get started. As you know, you want to start off with your proper stocking cap, whatever color of your choice, and you want to spray your got to be spray at a wide width portion of your the right width of your closure. So say for instance, if you have a 6x6 or if you have a 5x5, the 4x4, you get the picture. You want to spray your got to be spray as wide as your closure. It's way less harder than a frontal, trust me, because with a frontal you have to draw an outline, you have to really make sure your cap is aligned with the frontal. It's a lot. So closures, like I said, is way more easier to go. I usually do 3 layers and I spread it out with my fingers, as you've seen. to make sure that it's evenly portioned out. So now you just want to go up and cut, you guys know this part, at the portion of where you want to lay your wig. Make sure you really are cutting it as close as possible because we are trying to melt that lace. And your stocking cap process is really what's important it holds a really big deal on how well and how melted your lace is going to look. So take your time with this, y'all. Do not rush. So, like I said, you want to make sure you're cutting really, really close. There's no cap that's sticking up. Everything is looking smooth. And we're going to run back. If you missed any place or you can't reach it, I'm going to show you how to double back and make sure you melt that cap into your skin. That shit needs to be seamless, y'all. We need to not be able to distinguish where our forehead and where the cap is at. That's exactly how you know we have the perfect full cap laid out. So this is what I was talking about. I spray some got-to-be spray on my fingers, and I just put down and push down more and use the blow dryer with the tip of my comb and slick it down. So I love to use MAC Studio Fix foundation powder. I just feel like it's one of the best powders to use to hide your cap and as well as your lace. During my regular real shade, I usually use C8. This color C8, but like for summertime and I get a little darker, I switch it up to the NC46. So yeah, it's really, really good. I feel like in general, when you are using anything on your lace, powder is the way to go. And you just want to make sure you are spreading it out evenly and double checking. You don't want to put too much powder because you don't want to overdark your lace. So that's why you see me here checking to make sure that's the good amount that I use, which it was, because where it went, I don't even know where the lace went. See, I didn't even glue it down yet. That's how you want to feel when you're doing your lace, y'all. You want to feel like, dang, sis didn't even put it down yet. This could be a glueless. So you want to also go over where your part is at so it's more visible. But yeah, keep it cute with the powder, y'all. Make sure you didn't put too much and you didn't put too less, because when you are after it's glue, you shouldn't be really trying to use that much powder after that. It should be Gucci once you glue it down. Of course, you want to put a little bit, but you shouldn't have to use that much. So I usually like to use got-to-be glue just for now because, we're quarantined and ain't nobody going nowhere. So, yeah, I don't like to really leave my legs on for too long anyway. Let my hair breathe. So I use the got-to-be. But any glue that you use, you want to make sure you are spreading it evenly, okay? You don't want clumps. You don't want anything like looking uneven. It needs to be spread evenly because that also as well plays a role in your foundation and how melted your wig looks. Because once your glue is spread out evenly, you lit, sis. So yeah, as you see me, I'm going back over the cap just to make sure can you see, like from far? Before I zoomed in, y'all did not see what that cap was. And that's exactly how you want your cap to look, like it's your forehead. It looks like I have a 12 head right now. That's exactly how you want it to look. I'm not even gonna lie, that's how my real forehead look, y'all. Nah, deadass though. That's really how my forehead is that big. But anyways, so yeah, now you want to make sure you're just pushing that down the right way. Make sure you're putting it exactly where you want your lace to be, because you don't want to double back. You don't want to keep picking up and going back or picking up and bringing up, because that just makes the glue less stickable. One important thing y'all need to remember when also putting down your lace is you need to pull out any flies away that's sticking out from under your lace, because that will affect how your lace sticks to your head. I'm telling you, I used to be so pissed and wonder why the hell my lace not sticking. But let's get into that real quick. She's looking good. We got a little bit of glue we need to clean up, and you need to always make sure you clean up your glue. Elastic is the way to go when you're tying down your lace, so I just let that sit for about 5 minutes. And now we're going to get into this soft baby hair look. Basically, I'm trying to do the front a swoop, and then I'm trying to do the side. So the way you cut your hair, you want to make sure you cut it in the way that your baby hairs is going. So as you've seen, I cut straight with the front hair, and then one side I cut the one way diagonally and the other way diagonally, because that's the way your baby hairs is going to flow. So as you know, baby hairs take time, so don't rush it. It's a perfection type of task. You need to swoop and swoop and swoop again. Like, it just takes a while. So you'll learn with practice. I feel like with baby hairs, you just want to make sure you're reportioning it and you're combing them out, because when you use your glue or your edge control, it makes them stick together. So it makes it look clumpy. So you want to make sure you put a little bit of water in your fingers and then comb it out, so that those strands of hair is showing. Each visible strand of hair is like showing. So now getting into the middle of the part, and that one I'm just swooping to the side, messing around with it a little bit, and just making sure it looks natural. Your main goal with your baby hairs is natural, because just your main goal, period, with this wig, any wig you wear should be natural. That should always be the goal, okay? Don't skip any parts that you see like, oh, this looks making it. Our goal is natural, period. Our goal is scalp, okay? So yes, you want to slick your hair back and make sure you're re-looking. Now, as you can see, I have a little bald spot right there, peeps. But I'm about to fix that real quick, because that's just what I do. One thing you want to do as well, and this plays in a part of making your closure look like a frontal, you need to have baby hairs at each end of your closure, okay? So you see how I have a baby hair right there at the bottom of that side of my closure, and I'm going to put another baby hair on the other side, because that is what is going to start the foundation of making your closure look like a frontal, because you are going to connect your real baby hairs to that baby hair, as you're going to see. So period, as you've seen, I fixed it. I just put some more little hairs and pulled it down. So like I said, I'm doing it on the other side. I'm putting a baby hair there so that my real baby hair can connect with that one. So now we're about to get into exactly how you are going to make your closure look like a frontal. You want to use any edge control. I preferably use Gorilla Snot because it works really good for my hair. And you just want to pull out any hairs that you have out. So if you have a 4x4, any hairs you have available space, you want to pull it out and make baby hairs with your real hair. Just connecting your real hair with the frontals, with the closures baby hair. So yeah, you want to do the same thing to the other side. You just want to get all the baby hairs, your real natural baby hairs, and connect it to your frontals baby hair. I got height. So now what I'm going to do is basically wet my baby hairs just to give it more of a natural look and it doesn't look so gelled down. And then after that, you're moussing your hair back. This is very crucial. You want to make sure you mousse your hair back and then spray it with basically got to be spray, because that's going to give you the really slick hairline, strand by strand, like permed look, like it's coming from your scalp. This is very crucial to making a natural wig. And then after that, you're good to go, sis. You tie up your baby hairs. I like to tie my baby hairs with headscarves, the elastic, tying up your baby hairs, just push it down and mold it into your head. And I like to give a more softer baby look. So after that, you're good to go. And make sure though, at the end, y'all backtracking, you're cleaning off any glue that's left on your hair, anything that's visible, you're adding more concealer, and boom, you just saved $50 to $60 from making a choice to get you a closure instead of a frontal. Thank me later. Well, thank me in the comments. And be sure to like, y'all, subscribe if you was feeling it. And I'm so happy. How y'all think I did on my first video? I killed it. I don't care what y'all say. But yeah, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos from my Quarantine Slay series and also a Sim series coming up as well. See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed.